Got a new sneaker unboxing from StockX. On a hunt for these. Picked it up. This is my second pair of these. Box is kind of messed up right there. Kind of damaged, but it's all good. This is the Pharrell Human Race NMDs. 2016. Check out my info. Alright. So this is like a overseas pair. 6.5 UK, which is a size 7 and men's. Pharrell Human Race NMD originals. So this is like the Asia. They will have this tag. So I gotta make sure these are legit. Alright, StockX card. And you can just read this. It's like different from the other card. Other card was green. They switched it up now. And here is the NMD. Picked up the Scarlet red. StockX sticker. First time with this box, different box. So check it out. Here is the shoes. HU. And right here it says Race, Human Race. Comes with extra white laces. Check out that caging. There's the back. This is Adidas. White bottoms. Check out that boost. Looking good, looking good. Yep, feels good. Prime knit feels good. Check out that insole. No insole, but just has a typical Pharrell. Here's the other pair. 3 stripes on the heel, and it comes with this saying that these are authenticated from StockX. Super clean colorway. Newest pickup, the Pharrell NMDs that I copped off StockX. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. This is my second pair. I have the orange ones and I have the reds. I will be looking for the other pairs, other colorways. So slowly I'll be getting those. So subscribe for more videos. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.